A little bit about me. My name is Tiffany. I actually attended George Fox University in person on campus back in 2002, right out of high school, and did not finish. So I'm back 20 years later to finish what I started. This time around, I work full-time. I'm a full-time mom to 2 kids, 15-year-olds and a 9-year-old, and a wife. So a little bit more challenging, but I'm up for the challenge. About the video, I think literacy does make you incredibly powerful. I think we have learned that social media is a big part of that. I think the media is a big part of that. And I think that in our workplace, we see more and more literacy makes you so powerful. I know in team meetings when I'm presenting either something new to the team, new technology, a new procedure, I need to be knowledgeable. I need to show them that I know what I'm talking about. I need to sound knowledgeable in the new product, in the new procedure, or what I want them to go with if I'm going to present something. So literacy is so powerful in those positions. I'm also a mom to a kid with special needs. So when I'm reaching out to the district, I need to know what I'm talking about. I can't talk from emotion. I can't talk from the heart. It has to be from knowledge-based. So when I'm sending emails or I'm sending out things that I have questions about, it needs to be facts. I need to know exactly what's happening, and I need to know what our rights are. The other thing that I really liked is he said, nothing can stop you when you write. One of the things I really liked about that is I am shy. I actually really don't like talking. This video is very hard for me, and I'm much better in print. I feel like I'm more knowledgeable. I can really articulate what I'm trying to get through better in print than if I'm trying to communicate with you through talking. I get nervous and forget what I'm trying to say. So it is much more powerful when I'm trying to write something down. The shocking part for me, which I know seems kind of silly, was that this Navy SEAL in the prime of his career got an English degree. I didn't think that's what he was going to say, but I thought that was amazing that that's what he wanted to do so that he could be powerful when he's writing these recommendations for people. I think that shows a lot. If a Navy SEAL wants an English degree to seem powerful in what he's writing, we need to be powerful in what we're writing in our everyday life, in our careers, in our education, in our degrees, and everything that we do. He also said, if you can write, you know how to think. And I really like that because we start that at a really young age. Starts kindergarten, first grade. If you know it, write it down. If you know it, write it down. I just think there's so much power in what we know in our own knowledge base. Because I've already gone through this once, I'm hoping the second time around I'm better at writing papers to put forward what I've actually learned in classes. I'm hoping that I'm better at essays. I hope I'm better at getting across that my knowledge is there. I don't think that my papers before actually provided a good representation of what I was learning, and I think that proves how powerful literacy is there too. You need to be able to put down on paper what you're learning.